give you an update on my Epic Tea protocol. And what I want to talk about was really just my overall sleep. Before, I'd have to get up maybe once, sometimes twice a night, go to the bathroom. I guess that's what we do as we get older. But since I've been taking Epic Tea, I get 7.5 to 8.5 hours of good solid sleep. Rarely ever have to get up in the middle of the night. And I just feel much more refreshed in the morning, ready to get the day started. I generally try to start off with a 2 to 3 mile walk each day. So my energy levels they're ready to go in the mornings. I'm just getting a much better sleep. So once again, Epic Tea is definitely going to be a part of my lifelong protocol moving forward. Thank you.